Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install my AIO dashboard, the latest version, to work with the LMU after the latest update. So I think some of you already know that since the update, the 1.2.0 update of LMU, the telemetry link between Simhub and the information provided by the game is simply broken to the use of the new EA protection against cheaters in online mode. So, in order to get back this link and the information provided by the game, we need to use third-party plugins to make my dashboard work once again with LMU. So LMU is the only game that for which we need third-party plugins to have good communication. Okay, in order to do that, you need to have the latest version of Simhub. I will put the link below to have the latest version and the latest also version of my AIO dashboard. For now, it's the version 6, 6.9. I will put also the link for it in the description. Next, we need Haggle plugins which provide all the necessary information for LMU except these 9 which are broken by the latest update. And for that, we're going to rely on Nikolai NR7 LMU Electronic Bridge, which will help us get back those 9 information that broken by the new EasyAntiCheat system integrated in LMU. So in order to do that, I will also put the link for downloads. So all that will be provided in the description of the video. So the latest version for Neo-Red blogging is 1.4.0.3. Donc, all my dashboard rely heavily on these two plugins, and we need to download them. Okay, just click here, and we're gonna place them in desktop. Okay. For LMU Electronic Bridge, the latest hotfix is 1.2.1. We're gonna download the DLL, and don't worry if it's blocked by your browser or an antivirus. It's completely safe, and you can go ahead and download the plugins. Okay. Okay, now we are good. Okay. So we need to place these plugins in the main installation file of Simhub. So we're gonna open it and drag and drop LMU Electronic Bridge and sorry, extract Neo-Red plugins. We're gonna have two DLLs which we need to put also in Simhub main directory. Voila. Now, when launching Simhub, you will be welcomed with a window. In order, you need to activate these plugins. Okay, so simply we need to activate them and be sure that this is ticked, show in left main menu, because we need to make some configurations later. Now, if installed properly, you will have Neo-Red plugin here on the left and LMU Electronic Bridge. So we're gonna need to assign buttons for Electronic Bridge to have better communication with the game. So when using the in-game menu, to change traction control, ABS, and so on and so forth, it will lose synchronization with the plugin. So it is heavily recommended that you assign buttons for each one of these telemetry in order to have a better communication with the game. So here I already assigned the buttons. So go ahead and put your buttons as your liking. Okay, next, for better use of my dashboard, you need also to assign buttons here in general controls and default dashboard controls. So here, please assign buttons as your liking for next dash screen and previous, and also the trigger dash actions from A to D. Okay, now what we going to do, we're gonna launch the game and we going to see if we have a good communication inside the game with my dashboards. So uh, for this presentation preview, I made these buttons to have a better communication, and I'm going to launch my dashboard right here, and we are going to launch the game. So here we are inside the game. As you can see, we have the same values that they are inside the game displayed inside my dashboard. So if we change, let's say, traction control here inside the game, TC is set to 5. If we increase it, it's already set to 6. Okay, other values, let's say TC cut. Okay, it's 7. Good. Now in TC slip. Okay, we have perfect communication between LMU Bridge, the game, and Simhub. One thing I forget to mention, please, when mapping buttons for LMU Bridge, please make sure that you have the same buttons are already inside the game. Okay, let's take this example. Okay, so this button box I made is just emulating keyboard buttons. So here the Z key is assigned to traction control increase. If I delete it and re-press the button, so it's Z key. Okay, so please make sure that the same button that are assigned inside LMU are the same used and assigned in LMU Bridge. One other thing, sometimes if you have something out of synchronization, please press force synchronization to have good synchronization like here. Okay. Please excuse my driving. I'm using a gamepad, PlayStation 4 gamepad, just to demonstrate. Okay. Also, my dashboard provide virtual energy info, as you can see. If you press action C button, you will have all the pit and virtual energy info, and also your pace after doing some laps. Also, action D provide damage and radar. Okay, we are assigned to quick access. If you have any issue, please feel free to contact me or leave a comment here. I will be very happy to assist you and provide any solution for any problem you may encounter with my dashboard. Thank you all. Ciao, bye bye.